Real Madrid Football Club under the manager Carlo Ancelotti trains to prepare ahead of the next game of the La Liga Santander against the Villarreal. Of course, the La Liga Santander is one of the best league in the world, and it is a so competitive league which is led by the three, if not two, biggest clubs in Spain, including Barcelona and Real Madrid. Of course, here Real Madrid prepares to make sure that things are going to be normal, are going to be well against Villarreal. Fantastic, crucial, and impressive one. Here there is Karim Benzema, there is Courtois, there is also the manager Carlo Ancelotti here looking for the training of his team. Of course, the Real Madrid now is in very worse performance. They do not perform well, of course, and sometimes even the fans think that Madrid is going to die. And one way or another, it's not what